So guys, let's take a look at what we will be anticipating for this week on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So first thing first, before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend on that, right? So you would want to know what market is higher time frame. That is going to enable us to make a proper prediction of what we should be anticipating for and what market will most likely do. Now, if you are to zoom it out and you go to your weekly time frame, you will see that your New Zealand dollar JPY is in an uptrend move. So this is the movement here, the impulsive move on New Zealand dollar JPY, then the corrective phase. This is also the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. This is also an impulsive move. This is our pullback. So our next movement on New Zealand dollar JPY is another impulsive move. So this is to tell you that New Zealand dollar JPY, we should be anticipating for a bullish move. So the bullish move is what we should be expecting next on New Zealand dollar JPY. See, it is able to take out this high. So guys, more movement to the upside is what we should be anticipating for on New Zealand dollar JPY. When you also go to your daily time frame, you can also see that market is rejecting from this zone. That is to tell you the market is about to push up. Because when you see it this way, if you see this to be your higher high and your higher low here, this is also our higher high and here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high and here comes the higher low. This here is the higher high, here comes the higher low right here. So with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up. It is able to form a new higher high thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be anticipating for next on New Zealand dollar JPY. So we've seen multiple rejection at the zone here, right here. This is the first rejection and this is also our second rejection. So with this movement, we should be anticipating for bullish move on New Zealand dollar JPY to push up and take out this previous high. That is what we should be expecting next on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame. So this is our support level. And gets rejected. It's also rejected here. This is one of the reasons why we are having a rejection here and a double bottom actually played out here, thereby making market to push up. So one more pullback and then another push up. So a bullish move for the week is what we will be anticipating for next on New Zealand dollar JPY. Could there be any changes to this our prediction? Yes, there could. But if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.